हेलो डे स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू इंडियन एडवांस स्टडीज़। इस वीडियो में हम लोग AEEE 2020 के रिजल्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। AEEE 2020 का रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर हो गया, हाउ यू हैव टू चेक दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना टेल यू दैट हाउ यू कैन चेक द AEEE रिजल्ट। सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग दिस चैनल because this is the exclusive channel that is related to AEEE. The result links has been published on the official website, so how you need to check that is also important. Many of the students are not aware that how you can check the result and they end up with getting the wrong result. But in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can do the research work and how you can actually get the exact link where you will get the result. Before that, I will request you that make sure that you are subscribing this channel. Okay, all right. So how you need to proceed? You need to open your Google browser, any of your browser, and open google.com, and after that you have to write AEEE 2020, and after that you have to write IAS paper. IAS paper is an exclusive website which is dealing with AEEE 2020 and Amrita University admissions. So you have here, you need to search. As soon as you'll be clicking on this, you'll be landing on a page. Here you can find AEEE 2020 and here you can find IAS paper. Both the queries has been satisfied, and now we need to open this. As soon as you'll be clicking on this, you'll be landing on a page. I'll make sure that you are I will make this to 150% zoom so that it will be more visible for you. So here you can check AEEE 2020 result declared. Means AEEE Amrita Engineering Entrance Examination result has been declared. That is on 2nd September 2020 in the evening, and early morning on 3rd September I'm publishing this video. Okay, so here you can see AEEE 2020 result has been declared on 2nd September 2020 in the late evening. Before that, you need to fill this form, which is very important. Here you need to write your full name, your email address, your contact number, your city, your state. For example, I am from Tamil Nadu, so I'll be writing Tamil Nadu. Wherever you are, you need to write your own. In which place you are, I'm from Coimbatore. If you are from any other place, then you can select this. If you are from a small village or any village, you have to write your district name, or you need to write your nearest city. If you will talk about me or myself, I'm staying in a small village which is very much far away from the city, and we have lack of electricity, internet, and various other things like water, electricity, and internet connections. Also, there is scarcity of transportation, and roadways are not good. Still, I try my best to provide you the value whatever I can. In which course you are interested? For example, you are interested in engineering, so you have to select engineering or BTech, and here you need to write your highest qualification. For example, you have completed your 12th, just click on get 12th and click on get free counseling. As soon as you'll be clicking on get free counseling, you will start getting updates from various colleges, and also you will start getting AEEE updates for free. You will also get offers from various colleges and institutions regarding the admissions. All right, so click on get free counseling. Here you can see the AEEE notification result declared, which means that the result has been declared. AEEE result has been declared on 2nd September 2020 in evening. Click here to check result. Okay, it means you have to click here for result, and here you can see AEEE seat allocation registration will be started today. Means the seat allocation registration will started today on 3rd September 2020. Okay, here you can check the admission details. Before that, I will request you that India's top 8 universities have opened admission for everyone, like Bennett University, Maharashtra University, Lowell Professional University, Chandigarh University, Sharda University, MIT World Peace University, St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, and GD Godka. These universities had opened their application form for various students because these are the leading universities which are providing 100% placement. So if you are interested, I will request you that open the link from the description in this video, and you can apply, and you will get 100% placement from these universities. All right, so here you can check that. Click here to check result. As soon as you will be clicking on this, you will be finding this AEEE 2000 result declared, merit list, cutoff, scorecard, everything will be available here. Here you can check AEEE result has been declared. Click here to view result. Click here for results. Okay, click here to view result. Okay, and here seat allocation updates. So if you want the seat allocation process, just click on this, and here you can apply for seat allocation. Okay, allotment has been already started from 1st September. Just click on this, and the link will be provided on this. All right, and before that, if you have filled this form, just simply cut it. Here you can check. As soon as you will come here, you can check. Click here to view results. Okay, of AEEE 2020. This is the link of this. Here you need to check. Here you can check everything that is detailed. Every detail is uploaded here. So everything is given over here. If you really want to see this, just you can go and click it. So I hope this has solved your problem, and this is the link where you can check. Here you need to see. Click here to view AEEE 2020 results. So here you can find the result link, and if you have any doubt, just comment on this videos. And if you think that I have really helped you, just like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.